Tutorial Part 2. Preview features, simulations. The printing specification you set up in the input panel in Tutorial 1 will define RetouchXPress preview and simulation layers for a particular job. Printing and non-printing area simulation, hard edge preview, and TAC warning layers will be generated according to these values. Preview layers are demonstrated on this sample image. Momentarily, there aren't any simulations turned on. As you turn on print simulation, you will immediately see the significant dot gain and the hard edges in the highlights according to your minimum dot settings. In this case, it is the 5th gray level in the file which appears 13% in print. The next feature is hard plate simulation that indicates the printing and non-printing areas in a high contrast mode. This is very useful when you're retouching stray pixels or want an overall preview of your cliché. TAC or Total Area Coverage warning helps you to find areas where you exceed maximum ink. In this case, the value set up on the input panel is 270%. The black marker indicates where you have to fix the image. Finally, I turn off print simulation and switch on Show Under Minimum to check the highlights that I will lose in print. Again, the black marker indicates where you may need to level up dots.